How to get Roblox Plus. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Roblox on your device and make sure that you are signed in with the account where you want to take Roblox Plus. Now, on the left side toolbar, you will see the option for Roblox Plus. Tap on it and then go ahead and tap on the try it for free option you see there. You will also see all the reasons why you should buy Roblox Plus. So go through the guideline and then tap on the try it for free option you see there. You will then be shown with a bunch of options. So go ahead and choose your preferred option. You can choose Roblox Plus, you can choose plus 500, you can choose plus 1000, or you can choose plus 2000 depending on your preference. Once you have chosen one particular plan, go ahead and tap on the try it for free option you see there, and you will then be required to enter your credit or debit card details, or you can also enter your PayPal details. So go ahead and enter your payment method and payment type, and once you have entered all these details, you will be required to agree to the terms and conditions of Roblox, and finally tap on the start trial option you see there. And with this, if the payment method that you entered is successfully correct and accepted, your Roblox Plus account will be set. So this was about how you can get Roblox Plus. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.